You're searching for necessary survival equipment to take with you into the wild outdoors, but you're also curious if there are any cool survival tools you ought to pack. Of course, there are hundreds or thousands of survival tools available on the market for camping, so we thought we'd compile a list of 10 of the top tools to help you survive in the wild. These amazing survival equipment, which range from pocket torches to multi-tools and fire starters, might greatly simplify your life just when you need it. Make sure to stick till the end. You're surely gonna discover tools you didn't know existed. Starting off with something we all know and have heard of, the Life Straw. With the clever Life Straw, you may drink directly from puddles or streams without taking any of the usual hazards. The winner of the Time magazine Invention of the Year award employs a microbiological purifying filter and is more than reasonably priced, making it available to everyone who wants it, not just die-hard campers. It goes without saying that this may come in handy if you find yourself in a true survival crisis while hiking, or it could even simply offer some rapid respite from dehydration while you're on a typical walk. Speaking of coming in handy, next up we have the Swedish Army Fire Steel. Now, imagine this, you're stranded all by yourself, cold, hungry, and your vitality is gradually diminishing. What do? You must seek assistance. But you must also start a fire in the meanwhile, no matter the weather. This Swedish Army Fire Steel will assist you in doing exactly that. It rapidly produces a spark at 3000 degrees Celsius, making it considerably simpler to start a fire. Going up the hills without one is practically a crime given how much this costs. The International Survival Instructors Association has validated the device, which lasts for 12,000 strikes and is, let's face it, just plain brilliant. A need for every explorer. This next one doesn't involve fire unlike the last one. However, it's very efficient. Of course, I'm talking about the Hane solar cooker. Unfamiliar with solar ovens, in essence, it achieves its goal of producing a useful oven utilizing the heat of the sun. It's lightweight for what it is, can be used even in the winter, and will make life much simpler for you if you're fending for yourself in the wilderness at only 21 pounds in weight. Although this survival tool is pricey, you will undoubtedly be grateful for it. This next tool is one that is a must-have for anyone, regardless of whether you'll be going into the wilderness or not. A torch. More specifically for today, we have the Power Plus WindUp torch. Trying to survive a frightening crisis situation or a night by yourself in a cozy tent, a wind-up torch is an essential survival tool. However, while deciding what to buy, you should consider the specifics, such as how much work goes into charging it and how much you would receive from that charge. Well, when it comes to those costs, this torch checks every box. 1 minute of hand cranking will provide an hour of light using all 3 LEDs, 80 minutes using just one, or 110 minutes of flashing. What's more, it is impressively wind and rain resistant up to a height of 45 feet. Additionally, solar panels imply that you will receive 120 minutes of light after 1 hour of direct sunshine. When it comes to survival tools, this one is guaranteed to make your day. Speaking of making your day, a bar of signal in the wild sure will. It's commonly claimed that if you have a phone with service while in a survival crisis, you're actually not in a survival situation at all. Having a charged phone can be essential since being able to instantly contact for assistance avoids a wide range of potential circumstances that could seriously harm a hiker or camper in danger. The BioLite Camp Stove fulfills this requirement, as it not only functions as a campfire stove but also as a charger by converting biomass into electricity. The stove would need to burn hours worth of fuel to completely charge your phone, but in an emergency, it may offer the additional spark you need to make that crucial call. A survival gadget that genuinely has the potential to save your life indeed. Anyone say essential? The water bottle sure is. While it's not exactly a gadget, it's still definitely something anyone should have when stepping out into the wilderness. The Hydropac Flex collapsible bottle is incredibly robust and available in sizes up to 1 liter. Unlike water packs, which are prone to punctures and are difficult to refill, it would be perfect to have in your bag in case something were to happen to your original water bottle and you were left without a means of transporting water. Talking of water, we all know that water is the single most important essentials of life. However, access to clean drinking water isn't always possible, especially in the outdoors. That's where these water purification tablets come in. These little capsules will work as a substitute for a water filtration system. A single tablet is enough to clean a quart of water, which is roughly equal to a liter. The pills, only costing about $13 for 50 tablets, come in a compact and lightweight container that is easy to carry. Moreover, there isn't any difficulty in using them. Just drop a pill in a jug and wait around 30 to 35 minutes for it to work its magic. The taste of the water won't be altered either, which can either be good or bad depending on the source. Now let's move to the next amazing tool. Here's another gadget that is related to solar power and food or water, the Sun Rocket Sunlight. Yes, the sun rocket sunlight provides you the ability to boil water just with the heat of the sun. This might be crucial for cooking and drinking, but it can also be an important component of any first aid bag, sterilizing water for use in healing wounds. Also, it's not as pricey as you might anticipate, a brilliant survival tool with the potential to either improve your day or save your life. Speaking of sunlight, what if you don't have any? It's late at night. You're stranded out in the open and you're cold. What do? Well, this Zippo hand warmer is reusable. It doesn't have a flame, emits 10 times as much heat as disposable hand warmers, and may last up to 12 hours on a single fill. Oh, and if you figure out how to turn it on correctly, you'll look like a total badass. Bonus style points are always appreciated. You can't talk about being badass without mentioning Swiss Army knives. But then again, this isn't exactly a Swiss Army knife, it's more of a multi-tool. They can offer a variety of advantages when dealing with the annoyances and headaches of camping life, and can save a ton of room in your luggage. With the ability to deploy all 16 capabilities of the survival tool with only one hand, the Leatherman multi-tool makes tackling such inconveniences much simpler. This is one of the most useful multi-tools available, which is ultimately why you carry along the survival tool in the first place. Each tool is also extremely simple to distinguish by impressions left on the handle. Survival reminds me, we all know of Bear Grylls, right? Come on, if you're here watching a video on gadgets to help you in the wilderness, you've definitely heard of him and the million different things he does to be able to survive in the wilderness as efficiently as possible. Well, what if I told you there's an official Bear Grylls survival kit? This Bear Grylls survival pack is perfect for individuals who are new to outdoor adventure, since you never know what you're going to get into when you go camping. The multi-piece package comes with a variety of equipment. Everything one would require when in a pickle is included in this gear bag. Numerous knives in the size of credit cards have a wide range of uses, such as cleaning fish or cutting rope. The flint fire starter, multi-purpose scraper, tactical pen, tactical flashlight, compass, wire saw, and screwdriver is included as standard tools. A thermal blanket, a whistle, bandages, gauze, a bandage, a needle, and alcohol pads are among the emergency supplies, and together, they constitute this survival kit. It also has instructions on how to signal for help if something goes wrong. The entire set weighs just over 1 pound. When fully packed, making it relatively light and portable, it should fit comfortably within any pack or even handbags. So, there you go. Those were the 10 awesome gadgets that can help you survive in the wild. What do you think? Which one are you going to rush out to buy for your next adventure? Make some noise in the comments. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to Tech Inc. Also, while you're at it, why not check out some of these other videos that we think you'll love? Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.